Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you 5 digital marketing tools that can help you scale up your business, online business today. There are 5 of them, and number 5 is my favorite because it has helped me to make millions every month. But if you stay to the very end of this video, I have 2 extra bonus of these tools for your patience. Are you ready for it? Let's go there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gson Ebuka. You already know that on this channel I discuss about business strategies, lifestyle development, career hacks and tips, and every Wednesday and Friday I drop new videos that borders about these topics. And today I'll be discussing 5 digital marketing tools that can help you to grow your business online today. And if you're ready just as I am ready today, the number 1 tool today that will help you to scale up your business online today is email marketing. Yes, email marketing. So much has been said about email marketing, and wherever you are, if you're really serious about growing your business online today, you need some good email marketing tools. Email marketing tools is one tool that you can never overlook. Yeah, probably you may not understand, but it depends the relationship you have with your customers, or first-time customers, or even regular customers. Email marketing is one way for you to be able to extend your relationship to your customers beyond first-time thing or second-time thing. When you have an email marketing system, it helps you to reach out to your customer regularly. And there are examples of email marketing tools that you can have around. You have MailChimp, we have SendPulse, we have SendBlues, you have a lot of them, even MailPoet, you have a lot of them out there working effectively. Maybe along the way in this channel I will take my time to review some of these email marketing platforms that you can use for your business. Some of them are paid for and some of them are free to use. So if you're serious about growing your business online, think about email marketing tools that you can use to deepen your relationship with your customers. Number 2 tools that you can use today is website. Yes, website. If you're also thinking of building an online business, you need a website. Yes, you need a website. www.yourname.com or www.yourname.org or www.yourname.com.ng or .com.coza. It has to do with where you are located. But first of all, you need a website, because website should be your central showroom. Yes, I call it central showroom because that is the one place people will come and see everything that you're doing. So if you're really serious about having an online presence or growing your business online, you must also think of having a website. A website, not subdomain, which I have some of them you have www.blogspot. No, but you have to now own your space. That is, have your full name directly. www.yourname, for example, www.gsonebuka.com.ng. Now you have to also consider that. So you need to have your own website today. Yes, you need to have your website today. That also shows that you're really serious about your online business. So it's not even hard, it's not even difficult, it's not even expensive. There are different ways you can also get a website today. Go to my description, I drop some links that can help you to get your website today for your business, for your brand, and they will be designed professionally. Click on the link in my description so you can have access to ways you can actually get a website, and you can get someone that can design a website for you too. And also along the way in this channel I will also discuss ways you can actually design your own website yourself without any effort. So today, getting your website is very critical, and that's number 2 tools that you have to have today to be able to scale up your business online today. Number 3 is graphics tools. Now, no matter whatsoever you want to sell, no matter how you want to do that, you need graphics. You need graphics to make your message communicable among people. You need graphics to help communicate your message properly to people. You need a picture combined with text so that people can easily relate with your message online. Now, there are various ways that you can be able to build your graphic tools today, and there are simpler ways for you to design or create your own graphic tools. Even if you don't have any experience, you don't even have any idea on graphic, there are tools online that can help you to design your graphics, and one of them, the easiest one of them, is Canva tools, and you can find that in canva.com. The link to this app is also in my description. Canva is one powerful, simple tools for everybody that can use it to design anything for their business online. Now, there are also other trainings that I have that can help you as well to know and master your Canva. The fourth digital marketing tools for you to use to grow your business today is social media management tools. What do I mean by social media management tools? You see, once you are already online doing business online, you realize that you're moving from one social media platform to another social media platform to another social media platform. Now, the problem with that is that most times you get mixed up along the way, and you do not know how to manage your time, your content, that is your message, and absolutely your connection with people. Now, there are a lot of social media management tools or platforms out there that can help you to connect or coordinate all of the social media platform in one place, which means that you don't really necessarily need to move from checking from Facebook to Instagram to Twitter or to all of them. There are platforms that can help you to coordinate all of them on one platform. So once you open that platform, you can reach out to all your platforms, all your social media platform at once. So there are a lot of them that they help you also to schedule your message, which means that you necessarily don't have to be sending your message always. They schedule your message when you want them to go out, and they go out. And also they help you to coordinate all your social media platforms, see the interaction, and connect with people properly. And these platforms are very simple, free, and some of them are paid for. We have them. We have Buffer app and we'll have Hootsuite. We'll have Buffer app and we'll have Hootsuite. Two of them are one of the most powerful social media management tools that you can use today. So instead of you juggling between checking from one social media platform to another social media platform, if you connect all your social media platform to this social media management platform, you will be able to see all your social media platform at once, and also properly connect with your audience, and also schedule your message to them so that it will also go out whenever you want them to go out. So social media management tool is one of the digital marketing tools you need today to be able to make your life or even grow your business online faster. And before I get to the fifth part, which I love so much, let's run through the first four tools that I talked about. And we talked about email marketing tools, which we've considered MailChimp, Sendinblue, and SendPulse, and all the rest. And again, we considered website for your business, whether it's .com, .org, or .com.ng or .com.sa. You need a website for your business. And number three, we talked about graphic tools, graphic designing tools, where we discussed about Canva. Well, you need that Canva to be able to put up your graphics and make people to relate with your message. And number four, we discussed about social media management tools, whereas you can actually find a platform where you can connect and plug in all your social media platforms, and you can be able to drive and connect and also schedule your message with your people today. And number five, digital marketing tools you need today, regardless of your business. This particular number five has helped me to make millions consistently every month. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but I'm talking about Facebook advertising platform. Facebook advertising platform. In as much as Facebook is the largest social media network on earth today, Facebook has advertising platform where you can actually narrow down your products and your services and find the people that really need your services, regardless of their location, regardless of their age, and regardless of their pockets. With Facebook advertisement platform or Facebook ads, you can virtually reach anyone, regardless of their class, your age, their location, and absolutely a pocket, and also make money from them, because your Facebook will help you to locate them and also position your product to them at the point where they will see it consistently and apparently patronize you. I'm talking from experience because I cash out every day, every week, every month using Facebook adverts. And Facebook advert is one powerful way you can actually sell anything to anybody today. Now, I may not be able to go into all of the nitty-gritty of how you can set up your Facebook advert and how you can be able to manage your Facebook ad page and also run successful advert today. I have another video, 3-part video that I've done sometime in the past concerning Facebook advertisement. They are absolutely detailed. I'll leave the link below in the description box so they can be able to connect and listen and learn how you can be able to set up your Facebook and begin to make money from it. So Facebook advert is the 5th digital marketing tools that you need today to scale up your business, scale up your online business, and cash out regularly. Well, congratulations to you for staying to this very end, and this is how I get you to this 2 extra bonus that I promised you at the beginning of the video, and you are here watching it. And the 2 bonuses that I mentioned at the beginning of the video starts right now. And number 1 bonus for you today is Google Analytics. Google Analytics. Well, as an online business person, you need to understand how your advert, your platform, your website, everything is actually performing online. And Google Analytics helps you to know the demography of people who are actually interested in your content or your business. They also will reveal to you their area, their location, and the source of your traffic. Well, is a whole lot to talk today, but Google Analytics helps you to understand the trend, the people, the behavior of people whom you are reaching out to. And if you're really serious about growing your business online, you absolutely need to have a fair knowledge of Google Analytics so that it can help you to grow your business today. And number 2 bonus for you today, for you to grow your business today, is absolutely none other than what you already know, is Facebook community. Facebook groups is another tools that can help you to grow your business today. Now, what is the idea behind Facebook group? The idea behind Facebook group is gathering people of common ideology, common perception, probably common passion into a close related group, so that they can continually relate with themselves, continually talk to themselves, and also grow powerful relationships from there. For example, if you're a book lover and have a Facebook group that is closely related of about 1,000 or 5,000 book lovers in that group, chances are there that if you pull up any book related marketing tools or any book related content or product or services, people in that group will definitely be your first customer. So Facebook community group or Facebook groups, Facebook, you know what I'm talking about. Facebook groups are actually one of the most powerful ways for you to grow your online business and also grow your online presence. And today, I'm super excited that you stayed to this very moment. Well, the conversation continues whereon after this. If you have more tools that has come to your mind that you know definitely that we didn't share in this video, kindly drop your comment on the comment section as we interact and continue the conversation from there. My name is Gson Ebuka. Don't forget that every Wednesday and Friday, I drop new videos that talks about business strategies, lifestyle development, career hacks, and tips. And you already know that every Sunday we discuss YouTube money blueprint. And this Sunday is not going to be different because we'll have another exciting guest. So make it a point of duty to stay with me every Sunday by 6 p.m. That is 18 GMT global time, and also find an exciting moment to stay with me. So till I come your way the next video, please like this video, subscribe, and share. Yes, like this video, subscribe, and share. Definitely this is one of the things that you do to help me get encouraged on this journey of giving you quality content and all the business tips and strategy that will help you to grow your business today. So till I come your way next time, keep living your life. I'm signing out. My name is Gson Ebuka. Peace.